In angiosperms, root hairs arise from which one of the following regions of the root? Correct answer is D, the region of maturation. In which one of the following, the ovules are not enclosed by an ovary wall and remain exposed? Correct answer is B, pinus. In the lac operon, the Z gene codes for. Correct answer is C, beta-galactosidase. Exploring molecular, genetic and species-level diversity for products of economic importance is called. Correct answer is C, bioprospecting. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. Since the origin and diversification of life on Earth, there have been 5 episodes of mass extinction of species. How is the 6th extinction, which is in progress, different from the previous episodes? Correct answer is C. The present species extinction rates are 100 to 1000 times faster than in the pre-human times. Alpha helix is found in which level of protein structure? Correct answer is A, secondary structure. The main function of bulliform cells in grasses is. Correct answer is D. To minimize water loss during water stress. Identify the correct sequence of steps in each cycle of polymerase chain reaction. Correct answer is D, denaturation, annealing, extension. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer is A, B and D only. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to a transcription unit? Correct answer is A, B, C, D and E. Which one of the following statements is not true about the universal rules of binomial nomenclature? Correct answer is D. The first word in the biological name represents the specific epithet, while the second component denotes the genus. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is B. Which one of the following is the site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis? Correct answer is C, nucleolus. The respiratory quotient of a biomolecule, used for respiration, as per the above equation would be. Correct answer is A, between 0.5 and 0.95. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. Arrange the following steps of DNA fingerprinting in a correct sequence. Correct answer is A, E, C, B, D. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to packaging of DNA helix? Correct answer is A, C and E only. Find the incorrect statements about photosynthesis from the following. Correct answer is A and D only. Arrange the following steps of somatic hybridization in a correct sequence. Correct answer is D, A, B, C, E. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is B. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of plant cells in the phase of elongation? Correct answer is D, large conspicuous nuclei. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. The enzyme required for carboxylation in the Calvin cycle is. Correct answer is C, Ruby-P carboxylase oxygenase. How many ATP and NADP molecules are required to make one molecule of glucose through the Calvin pathway? Correct answer is A, 18 ATP and 12 NADP. Which of the following floral formula is the correct floral formula of Solanaceae family? Correct answer is B, formula 2. Which of the following is an in situ conservation method? Correct answer is A, sacred groves. Which of the following statements are not true regarding restriction endonucleases? Correct answer is C and D only. In racemose inflorescence. Correct answer is D. Flowers are born in an acropetal succession. Arrange the following in the correct development sequence related to microsporogenesis. Correct answer is B, D, A, C. Identify the correct statements about biomolecules. Correct answer is B, C and E only. Which of the following statements are true with reference to the sex determination in honeybees? Correct answer is A, B, C and E only. Heterophilous development in response to environment is an example of which of the following phenomena? Correct answer is D, plasticity. Which of the following statements are correct regarding amino acids? Correct answer is A and C only. The evil quartet of biodiversity loss includes which of the following? Correct answer is C. Habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation. Alien species invasions, coextinctions. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is C. Which one of the following is a triploid cell? Correct answer is D. Primary endosperm cell. Which one of the following types of pollination brings genetically different types of pollen grains to the stigma? Correct answer is B. Xenogamy. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. The main criteria used for 5-kingdom classification proposed by R. H. Whittaker, 1969, included: correct answer is A, B, D and E only. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to DNA separation, isolation and visualization? Correct answer is A and B only. Which one of the following disorders is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the 6th position of the beta-globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule? Correct answer is B. Sickle cell anemia.